Kokums is here, and I'm going to show you how I want the class to sort their spelling words. We have Nari the Narwhal with us. He likes to be our helper. Here's my list for Unit 1, Week 2, my short I words. The first thing we do is scribble the back. We don't need to scribble it too long. It's just to make sure that if one card falls on the floor, we can determine whose it is by the color choice that we use. So take about 10 seconds and scribble on the back. Now you see Mrs. Kokums has her sort all scribbled. Fantastic job, Nari. We flip it over. Take out a highlighter. Look at the words in bold. The words in bold, they are our headings. We are working with the short vowel I, the I sound, as an in. I'm going to highlight the I and in. Going across, highlight the I and is. Highlight the I in it. Then notice I have a heading, short A. Just highlight short A. These were words that are review. We had 2 short A words that are on our list from last week. Nap and can. And of course, we have our slip oddball. I'm going to highlight odd. Now I'm going to look for different spelling patterns in my in, is, and it categories. Looking for in words. Oh, I see at the top in pin and win. Highlight the I, n, in pin. Notice I highlighted the IN because I'm looking for that chunk, the in word family. Do you see the in word family? In, when, when. Now I'm on to the it word family. Looking for it. It, hit. Look at sit. It. Highlight the it and sit. We did in, it. Now we are on to is. Look at the beginning sound. Make that first sound. Is. Miss. Highlight is. Beginning sound, like a fish, pucker your lips, ready to make the first sound. Is, kiss. I hope you gave your mom or dad a kiss. Now my heading says short A. Look at app, nap. Highlight the short A in nap. Look at can, highlight the short A, can. Look, boys and girls, I have 2 words left. On every spelling list, you will have 2 words review, like nap and can, and 2 words are sight words. O-U-T, think of the door, out. I'm going to draw a door so that I will remember that this is the word out. We are going out. O-U-T, out. Look at the word up. Draw your arrow pointing up. Now, remember how we cut the first grade way. You are going to cut one big rectangle going around the frame. Then I want you to cut right down the middle. You don't need to make these dotted lines. I'm just showing that I would be cutting with my scissor. And then we're going to cut going across. So you are going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards to keep track of because these two are split. So you have 3 sections at the bottom. Once you have these cut, you are going to put all of the spelling words that are light in a pile, a deck of cards, and you will place your headings that are bold at the top. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns at the top. Mrs. Kokums and Nari are back for our spelling sort for the short I sound. Here we have our list is in a pile, what I call a deck of cards. I put my bold headings on top for my pile. Here's my first word, my first heading, it. And then I also have in, is, and short A. Boys and girls, don't forget we also have the oddball. So we have 5 columns. When we are ready to glue our columns down on paper this week, it's important to have the paper facing landscape so we have enough room for all of these columns. Now I'm ready to sort my words. It doesn't matter what order you have them in for your deck of cards. What matters is you're placing it under the correct heading. Oh, I drew a door, like we're going out. This is the word out. Out does not fit. Out is oddball. App, nap. My word from last week, short A. Is, miss. Miss has the is in it, so I will place it under the is column. It, hit. Hit has the it in it. In, pin. Pin has in it, so I will place it under my in heading, in. Here is my sight word, up. Up. Does it fit under it? In. Is. Does it have a short A in it? Up. Up is oddball. My 2 sight words this week fit under the oddball column. I know this word from last week. I can read it as a whole word, can. Can goes under short A. Make the first sound, is, kiss. Kiss goes under my is family. Be good listeners. It, sit. Sit has it in it, just like hit. So I will place it under the it heading. Sit. In. Win. Win has in. I will place win under the in heading right underneath the word pin. We did it. Now I'm ready to read my words. I must read my words 3 times. It, it, hit, it, sit. Notice when I sound it out, I always end with reading the whole word. In, in, pin, in, win, is, miss, is, kiss, short A, nap, can. I know those from last week. Oddball. Sight words need to be read within 3 seconds. Out, up. I've read it once. Now I read it a second time. This time it will be easier for me to sound out my words. It, it, hit, it, sit, in, in, pin, in, win, is, miss, is, kiss, short A, nap, can, oddball, out, up. This is the last time I will read my words. It, hit, sit, in, pin, win, is, miss, kiss, short A, nap, can, oddball, out, up. Good job. I'm going to be ready to read my words on Seesaw, so Mom and Dad can hear me read my words at home. Boys and girls, you were given a nice zipper pouch. This is where we are going to keep our word sort so it does not get lost in this cloth zipper pouch. When I clean up my words, I need to make sure that I have all 15 cards back inside this bag. Here's my zipper pouch. I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 cards. When I place them inside, I gather them up and I'm going to stack them like a deck of cards, just how I started. When I gather them, I already kind of have them mixed up for the next time I do my word sort. Now I have all 15 in my hand. If that is hard for you to do, you can collect them one by one and make sure that you've counted all 15 cards into my zipper pouch. If there's a day where you have to take out your word sort and you are missing a card, then you will need to write the word on a sticky note so you still can sort your cards. Don't forget to zip it up so they don't fall out inside your desk.